Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of friends no, of archive shots. To know how to fix or how to solve archive shots problem on Facebook, you should just go to settings. Here you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you'll enter to Facebook and you can click. Here in this page of app info, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn on your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.